that sky. That's beautiful. Good morning, everybody. This is Right Thing Motos. It is Super Bowl Monday. The Monday after the Super Bowl. Been reading a lot of people's posts on Instagram and the interwebs talking about how Super Bowl Monday should be a holiday, should be a national holiday. And I gotta tell you, number one, I'm always down for a Monday off. Not gonna argue with you there. Two, I will say that if it's up to us to choose a day that everybody should have off, can I propose that instead of Super Bowl Monday we do Election Day? That seems a little more American to me, where we have a big party and choose the leaders of the country, right? Should I, leaders / elected officials, whatever you want to call them. I think that would be a better use of a day off than Super Bowl Monday. They could fix this by just putting it on a Saturday. Put the Super Bowl on a Saturday, guys. Easy, done. Everyone's happy. Oh, speaking of parties, right? Because the Super Bowl is really a big party where everybody has some chips and dip, maybe some chicken wings. But I rediscovered something that's super important, and maybe you guys can identify with this. But on Friday, I had some buddies over to watch Barstool's Rough and Rowdy Super Bowl edition. I think it was Rough and Rowdy 11. If you're not on the Rough and Rowdy bandwagon, jump on it. It's hilarious. It's super fun. And it's what I want to see in fights. Just people that don't know what they're doing. I want to see bar brawls that are sanctioned. I don't want anybody to get hurt, too badly. But I do want to see them. So, sorry. I needed to use some extra brain to make that move happen. But yeah, so anyway, back to my point. I rediscovered something super important, and that is partying on Friday night as opposed to Saturday night. Makes a huge difference in how long your weekend feels, right? So Friday night, I was showing my buddies, went to bed at 3 a.m. Woke up Saturday morning. I have a gorgeous and wonderful, understanding wife who let me sleep till 11:30. I don't get to normally do that because I'm a dad. You know how it is. You dads out there know what dad life's about. So I slept into 11:30, hurting a little bit. Even though I slept late, I was still hurting. But, the Saturday felt like a Sunday for whatever reason. I went out with the family Saturday night. Saw some blues music down there at Ruthie's Barbecue in Montclair. Shout out Ruthie's, you guys are awesome. And then, Sunday, you got the Super Bowl. And I'm not hungover. I wake up Sunday. I got my whole day Sunday. So partying Friday night is where it's at. Because normally I've been, again, let me repeat what I just said with dad life. But dad life, Friday night I go home, I chill with the wife, watch do some Netflix and chill, in bed, maybe by midnight, because we're just hanging out. But I feel like that night, I don't want to say it's wasted, but it just has, the weekend has such potential that I feel like I kind of squander Friday nights. Not even squander, it's nice to chill, it's nice to relax. Pardon me. Nice to chill, nice to relax. But if you go hard on Friday, it extends your weekend. It feels like your weekend's kind of extended. I gotta get a mirror on this right-hand side. Just for that moment there. It's hard to see when you're just looking out your side eye. here, people aren't too considerate. They, you know, they see you with your blinker on, trying to get over it. They're like, no. This is going to save me 7 seconds. I'm just going to cut you off. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about all this stuff. Super Bowl Monday versus Election Day. If you had to pick one, what would you pick? And partying hard on Fridays to make that weekend feel a little longer. I like it all. Not gonna lie. If I could pick all the days off, I would. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. You enjoy yourselves. That's it for me.